In this section of the program, we are going to look at power cables. The power cable, also called a power cord or power lead, is the flexible connection between the appliance and the wall socket. Attached to the end of the cable, you will find a plug. The plug provides the physical and electrical connection between the wall socket and the power cable. Plugs will be discussed in the next section. Electrical power tools are most commonly connected to a cable type known as cab tire. This cable is very flexible and can withstand much bending. In single-phase applications, you will come across 2-core cables and 3-core cables. As you can see in these end section views, the 2-core cable has 2 conductor cores and the 3-core has 3 conductor cores. You will find 2-core cables used mainly with domestic appliances and with plastic-encased power tools. Most industrial duty power tools and any appliance that has metal encasements will be fitted with 3-core cable. If we were to examine a piece of cab tire 3-core cable, we would see that most of its bulk consists of insulation. Each conductor core is surrounded with core insulation. The 3 cores are then separated with more insulation, known as the bedding. Surrounding the bedding layer is a protective layer of insulation called the sheath. Let us explain conductors and insulators. In electrical terms, a conductor is any substance that will permit the flow of electric current. Copper, for example, is an excellent electrical conductor. Copper is the metal used most commonly to make the cores within electrical cables. Thin strands of copper wire are twisted together to create a flexible cable. Any material that does not permit the flow of an electric current is known as an insulator. The commonest commercially used insulation material is the plastic product called PVC, or polyvinyl chloride. Insulation prevents the conductors from making contact with each other, and it also supports the conductors, and it provides them with some protection against physical damage. On the sheath, you should also find information about the cable. For example, here we see that the cable is rated to carry a maximum electrical load of 16 amps over a maximum distance of 25 meters. The reason for color-coding the conductor insulation is so that we can connect an appliance or a plug top according to the pin notation of the wall socket. This is an important point, and we need to explain it in detail. Here, in South Africa, and in most other countries too, the colors used in 3-core cable are as follows: green with yellow, to denote the earth or ground connection; blue, to denote the neutral connection; and brown, or sometimes red, to denote the live connection. The conductor cores must be connected to the appliance and the plug strictly according to the color code. If the cores are swapped, then there is a great chance of the operator being electrocuted. We shall deal with plug connecting in more detail in the next section.